Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Time Doctor to Gusto. The first thing I want you to do is actually make sure this payroll option here on Time Doctor is enabled. If you don't see it right here, make sure you come here, click on Settings, click here on Company Settings, and from the left hand panel, click on Configuration. Scroll down a little, make sure Use Payroll is toggled on. If it is, you can come here and click on Payroll, and you'll be on this page. Click here on Manage Payment Methods, toggle on Gusto. Now, as you can see, it has been added. You can close this, it gets automatically saved. And then you just come here, those people who we want to pay with Gusto, right? Come here, slide to the right, choose their payment method. Make sure it's not manual. Set that to Gusto. We'll do it for this person as well. And then you can come here and click on Export CSV. So there we go. We'll open this up and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. And then you can just come here to Gusto, click on Pay, right? And then you just go ahead and upload the CSV file that you had downloaded. You upload it right here after you fill in all of these details. Really that easy. And that is how to connect Time Doctor to Gusto.